A close-up of a bunch of garlic bulbs. Garlic is one of the most commonly used ingredients in cooking around the world, and for good reason. Not only does it add a unique flavor to dishes, but it also offers a wide range of health benefits. Cut to a shot of a person slicing garlic cloves. Garlic is packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese, and selenium. It also contains antioxidants that can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Cut to a shot of garlic being sautéed in a pan. Garlic is also known for its immune-boosting properties. Studies have shown that it can help reduce the risk of colds and flu, and may even have some anti-cancer effects. Cut to a shot of a person adding garlic to a salad. In addition to its health benefits, garlic is also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to sauces and marinades. Cut to a shot of a person roasting garlic in the oven. Roasted garlic is a particularly delicious way to enjoy this flavorful ingredient. Simply wrap a whole head of garlic in foil and bake in the oven until soft and fragrant. Cut to a shot of a person peeling garlic cloves. Garlic can be a bit tricky to peel, but there are a few tricks to make it easier. One method is to crush the cloves slightly with the flat side of a knife, which will help loosen the skin. Cut to a shot of a person adding garlic to a pot of soup. Whether you love the taste of garlic or are looking for ways to boost your health, this humble ingredient is a must-have in any kitchen. Closing shot. A final shot of a bunch of garlic bulbs. So next time you're cooking, don't forget to add a little garlic to your dish. Your taste buds and your body will thank you.